Maggie Salomon is running for county commissioner because our county deserves leadership that plans ahead, protects residents, and follows through. I don't want Fort Bend residents to get the runaround. My first priority is flood mitigation. Growth should never come at the expense of existing neighborhoods. As commissioner, I will be holding developers accountable and want clear guidelines and make sure drainage plans are enforced, not waived, so families aren't left dealing with flooding they didn't create. Second is infrastructure that actually works. It shouldn't take over an hour to get to downtown or the medical center. We need smarter traffic light systems, lighting that responds to real-time congestion, not outdated timers, and coordinated planning that moves people efficiently and safely. Third is public safety. I'll work with HOAs and our local law enforcement agencies to make better use of existing security cameras, creating clear protocols so footage can be shared quickly when a crime or emergency happens. That means faster response times and safer neighborhoods without invading anyone's privacy. And finally, our youth and mental health. By working closely with public schools, we can strengthen youth career programs by creating real career pathway opportunities with our local schools, so our kids are prepared, supported, and confident about their future right here at home. For mental health, I want to continually work with our first responders and provide residents with resources when someone enters a crisis. This is what local leadership looks like: accountability, transparency, and smart planning, and real solutions. I'm Maggie Salomon, and I'm ready to do the work.